Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can create roadmaps in Jira. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So, first of all, open a browser of your choice and search for Jira. After that, log in or sign up on the website. And once you are done logging in, you will see an interface like this. Here what you have to do is click on the project you're currently working on. Then select the project and then click on New Project. Select Kanban Jira software and then click on Use this template. For this tutorial, I'm going with Team Manage Project. Type in the name of your project. The name key will be automatically created. After creating a project, go to the roadmap section and start adding roadmaps like this. You can also add child issues by clicking on the plus icon at the right side of each roadmap. You can set the duration of roadmaps by dragging the bar like this. Now, if you go over to board section, you will be able to see all of your roadmaps here. And that's how you can create a roadmap in Jira. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.